Hey, and welcome back to another episode of
What to Do.
I'm Kelly, and this is Will, and today we're going to show you a really cool place in Louisville that's very unique.
It's the Mark Payton Glass Center, and you can make stuff with glass there.
Yeah, so there's primarily 2 activities. This week we're going to focus on one of those activities, next week the other, and we're going to get an awesome interview with him next time. And you're going to get to hear his story and why he got into glass.
And we might have some other content coming out that's part of our new plans.
Sneak peek. Well, where are we going?
We're going to a place that Kelly doesn't know where we're going, but she has a guess.
Yeah, I think it's the blown glass place, which is really cool. I love blown glass.
Yeah, we might go look and touch some stuff if we're feeling really
Well, we probably
adventurous.
shouldn't touch it because this one is like a child in a glass shop.
That's not a phrase, and I'm not the one either.
It is the glass factory! Will knows. Your hands are shaking, you poor dear. It's freezing out here. It's the glass factory. I'll be quick with this, and I'm really excited because I have wanted to see them make glass, and I love blown glass, and I want to get an ornament.
I should start off by saying that blown glass to me is so mesmerizing and I'm slightly obsessed with it, so I just wanted to show you some of the amazing works that this shop produces. Now at this place there is a blown glass section and there is a fused and finer glass section. In this video I will be focusing on fusing glass, but don't turn off your screens yet because fusing glass is actually way more complicated and fun than I thought it would be, and I really want to share it with you guys. This is the Payton Glass Activity Center, and here are some of his works and merch. We got to learn the art of fusing, and really, this is as fun as you want it to be. The possibilities are endless, but you can also do something really simple and quick. By the way, if you are interested in visiting this place, which I strongly suggest, its information is in the description box below.
So we're going from this to this. So we just sketched it out, and now we gotta make it. Here's hoping to score it. You hear it make that sound, and then use these pliers. Oh, you gotta have this pointed upwards. You gotta have the ball pointed upwards, and then it just clips off, just like that. Okay, we learned how to use the grinder. We just have to make sure the sponge is mostly done. Pant legs. Just hopefully fits things up there.
It doesn't look that bad. It could be better.
It's so exciting. I think all this thing's done actually. So now from this to this. That's awesome. I'm super excited. Do you like it? Were you surprised? Do you like it?
I wasn't surprised. I knew we were coming here, but I do like it a lot.
When do you know?
On our way here, I was like, we're going here. And you're like, oh, maybe.
That was 5 minutes away from here. What'd you think, Kel?
It was so fun. I honestly was not expecting it to be that fun, but it was like basically doing a giant, really difficult puzzle that I created myself.
And the owner, he was super cool.
Mark.
Yeah, he was talking to us afterwards. He thought we did a really good job. He was impressed. And that wasn't even that was like the lamest thing they offer there, I think.
Yeah.
Except for maybe like a tour. But the tour looks really cool because I think you actually get to go in there. So we'll have to look into that at some point.
Would recommend 100%.
I didn't think it was gonna be that fun. And it's not that expensive. Like the one we did was like medium expensive, but they have a whole range of like, I think the cheapest is 25 or 35. And we went with
Ours
like a
was
45,
45-ish.
46. So yeah, definitely great date. This is what we think of the glass blowing place. Wow!
Alright, if you like this video and you want to support us, click that like and subscribe button, and that'll help us out a ton. We'll see you next week.